Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Expense step by step. First, you'll need to sign up for an account and set up your organization's basic details. This includes configuring essential settings like expense categories, payment methods, and your unique approval workflows. Don't forget to invite your team members and assign them the correct roles and permissions to ensure smooth operation from the start. Once your setup is complete, recording expenses is straightforward. You can easily add expenses manually or use your mobile device to scan receipts, which automatically extracts key information. Remember to categorize each expense correctly and attach any necessary supporting documents. For better insights, link your expenses to specific projects or customers, ensuring precise tracking of all expenditures. After recording your expenses, the next step is to create and submit an expense report. You can group multiple individual expenses into one comprehensive report. Before submitting, take a moment to review everything for accuracy and completeness. Once submitted, your designated manager will receive it for approval. They can then approve, reject, or add comments to the report, facilitating clear communication. With reports approved, you can efficiently process employee reimbursements. Zoho Expense also offers powerful reporting tools, allowing you to generate detailed reports that provide valuable insights into spending patterns and budget adherence. Furthermore, you can integrate Zoho Expense with your existing accounting software for seamless financial management, streamlining your entire expense process from start to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.